Even after the most inflamed acne subsides, more often than not, it leaves behind a mark for us to remember it by. Hi, I'm Mohana, and this is the final episode of the Breakout Breakdown. Let's scrub away all the evidence of acne marks. Let me start with some good news. Just like the trust you used to have in your ex, acne marks too can go away completely. Our skin regenerates over time and helps these marks to fade away. Everything in my list today is meant to speed up this healing process. So let's get right into it. Let's have a quick crash course on the sun's effect on acne marks. Melanin is your friend when it comes to protecting your skin. However, it is unevenly distributed in your skin and leaves behind a dark brown pigment. Your acne marks darken because there's a high level of melanin in those areas. Sunscreen prevents further darkening of these marks since it allows the melanin to take a break and protects the skin by itself. If you have been facing acne due to applying sunscreen, there is no need to avoid it completely. Just select a lightweight and non-comedogenic sunscreen. Sunscreen should become a crucial part of your skincare routine, and you should apply it daily and reapply it every 2 to 3 hours, even when you're just hiding from the outside world at home. Have you ever wished to shed off the first few layers of your skin that have acne marks and let your clear skin that's hiding within shine through? AHAs can help you do just that. They are skin exfoliants that help speed up the natural skin exfoliating process. One of the most popular variants of AHAs is glycolic acid. Don't let the term acid scare you, it's actually derived from the well-known sugarcane plant. Glycolic acid is antimicrobial, which makes it perfect for acne-prone skin. Like any other method of exfoliation, this must not be overdone, especially for sensitive and acne-prone skin. It's ideal to use products with glycolic acid once or twice a week, preferably at night. Remember to apply sunscreen every morning as it increases the skin's sensitivity to the sun. What can fade dark spots, boost collagen production, and give your skin an overall glow? This isn't a messed up skincare quiz. All these benefits can actually be found in one ingredient, vitamin C. Vitamin C helps reverse sun damage by balancing the uneven melanin production. Its collagen boosting properties speed up your skin's cell turnover, which means quicker fading of acne marks and brighter skin. Even though vitamin C serums usually try to snatch the spotlight, you can find vitamin C in moisturizers, masks, and some sunscreens too. The best time to use them is in the morning, followed by your daily dose of sunscreen. Niacinamide is a boon for acne-prone and hyperpigmented skin. It's a form of vitamin B3 which helps your skin retain hydration. This keeps it from drying out and developing discolored patches. When used in serums or creams, this ingredient helps control melanin production, reduces the appearance of dark spots, evens out your complexion, and the best part is that it also deals with the excess sebum production of your skin. No excess sebum means your pores are less likely to get clogged, and this prevents acne formation too. That concludes the Breakout Breakdown. Now you know how to prevent, treat, and fade acne and acne marks. Let me know in the comments below what was the most helpful episode of this series. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.